This neo-Gothic style building is also known as the Parliament of Budapest after its location opened in 1902 is a notable landmark of Hungary, and a popular tourist destination in Budapest. Liberty Bridge, also known as Freedom Bridge in Budapest, connects Buda and Pest across the river Danube. This is a memorial erected on April 16, 2005, in Budapest to honor the Jews who were massacred by fascist Hungarian militia in Budapest during the Second World War. They were ordered to take off their shoes and were shot at the edge of the water so that their bodies fell into the river. Shoes were valuable then and could be resold by the militia after the massacre. This Iron Shoes monument is located on the Pest side of the Danube promenade where Zoltan Street would meet the Danube. The murders took place around December 1944 and January 1945, when the members of the Hungarian Arrow Cross Party police took as many as 20,000 Jews from the newly established Budapest ghetto and executed them along the river bank. Budapest Castle Hill funicular ferry up to 24 pax per cabin between Székely chain bridge at river level to Buda Castle up the Buda Hill. The total journey takes about 1 minute and a half. Matthias Church, built in Romanesque style in 1015, is a Roman Catholic church located in the Holy Trinity Square, Budapest, Hungary. It's situated in front of the Fisherman's Bastion at the heart of Buda's Castle district. Székely Lanchet Bridge was the first to be built in 1849 across the Hungarian section of the Danube and is now considered to be one of Budapest's major landmarks. You will almost never get tired of such magnificent view of Budapest. We are taking the Budapest Castle bus service down the hill over walking down or taking the Castle Hill funicular. This massive Baroque Buda castle is the historical castle and palace complex of the Hungarian kings in Budapest. It was first completed in 1265 and the castle now houses the Hungarian National Gallery and the Hungarian National Museum. I would say this is the highlight of the entire Budapest trip. The building construction involved about 100,000 people, during which 40 million bricks, 500,000 precious stones and 40 kg of gold were used as its building materials. This building has been a UNESCO World Heritage Site since 1987 as part of the banks of the Danube.